Hello guys! Welcome back sa aming channel. This is Art.
And this is Les.
And in today's video, magka-camping po kami for the very first time together dito sa David Thompson Resort.
Let's go!
May grocery. Ayun yung bilihan ng wood. Unleaded.
May liquor pa oh. Gusto mong
May
liquor?
washroom, may restaurant.
Ayan.
Now when those dark nights keep getting longer, and knowing the dawn feels like it's never gonna come, when that gray sky's full of rain now, but knowing it seems like you never see the sun, you gotta little light to shine for you, and tell you when there's nothing else to do. Hard times are never going through.
It's June and it's cold.
Medyo malamig pala guys. Problema,
Walang jacket.
hindi kami nagdala ng jacket.
Your man got you. You know your man got you. Oh, your man got you. Your man got you.
Napakamahal pala guys ng jacket. $59.
$9.99.
Grabe yung jacket.
Bibili kami ng dalawa, 120 na.
Patay. Kaya naman ng walang jacket. And guys, medyo maaga pa kami kaya ikot-ikot muna kami. Ang ganda ng mga campsite dito guys. Oh. So ito yung driveway. Pwede ka mag-tent dito. Tapos ayan, meron silang bench. Ay, may numbering. Ayan guys, so ang ganda ng mga cabin dito. Ayan guys, nag-hike kami papunta sa lake. And sabi nila, for precaution ay magdala ng burst spray. Yan.
Kasi guys, nasa woods kami into
Yan.
the woods.
Hindi mo masasabi daw if mayroong
Baka meron dito guys.
Bear.
Nakakatakot.
So ito lang yung guys na non-lethal way para lumayo sila. So hopefully hindi namin to gamitin. Hello guys, it's lunchtime, 1:40 na guys. Tinignan namin yung lake kanina, napakalayo pala. It's around 15 to 20 minutes na lakad. So hindi siya advisable na paddle boarding, pero for the sake of experience guys, mamaya pipilitin namin mag paddle boarding dun sa Abraham Lake. Papakita namin sa inyo.
Dito kami muna sa parking area guys kasi wala pang check-in. Ang check-in time is 3 o'clock. So dito muna kami kakain.
Ano yan? Ano ginagamit mo?
Bug spray.
Yan, bug spray. Huwag niyo kalimutan yan guys. Essential yan pag nagka-camping. Hello guys, ayan, naka-check-in na kami.
Ito na
And
yung key.
ito na yung susi sa aming RV na number 73. Yes, and excited kami guys kasi first time namin mag-camping using RV.
Yeah.
Pero guys, update, mag-change of plan yata kami sa paddle boarding. Kasi guys, binabalak tayo mag-paddle boarding dito sa Abraham Lake. Pero ang problema medyo medyo windy, tapos may rocky rin siya. Nung kinausap namin yung reception, it's not recommended.
It's not recommended.
Yeah,
So,
sabi
for
nila may
our
mga
safety,
may mga nawawala daw na tao doon.
usually daw ang nagpapadulbor doon is just disappear. We don't want to disappear.
Yun guys, ang tatry namin puntahan ay yung Fish Lake mamaya.
Yes.
So mag-check-in muna kami guys at pakita namin sa inyo yung trailer namin.
Let's go!
silipin natin. So meron po siyang bench. Ganda siya guys, oh.
Picnic table.
Picnic table. Ang lawak niya. Tapos meron siyang lutuan doon.
O,
Diyan kami
tingnan mo.
Diyan kami mag-barbecue mamaya.
Tingnan mo ang dumi, di ba? Tama lang
Dumi
na.
nga siya.
Tama lang yung
Pinili kami dito nag-grill mamaya. Lagay namin. So mamaya try namin mag-barbecue.
Ayan, fire pit.
Pwede ka maglagay ng wood. Magsiga.
Ayan, 73.
Tingnan natin. Ano makikita natin sa loob. Tingnan nyo guys, may screen pa siya. Medyo ano siya, medyo luma yung yung RV, pero nice na siya, di ba? Kung mas prefer niyo yung hindi kayo lalamukin, tapos hindi kayo mauulanan,
Hassle-free.
hassle-free.
Mag-build ng tent.
Hindi ka na mag-build ng tent. Mas maganda na yung ganitong RV. Yun guys, habang meron pang araw, try namin pumunta sa Fish Lake.
Follow along!
One eternity later.
Try na namin mag-paddleboard for the first time.
One eternity later.
After ng paddleboarding, gabi na dito guys. So, try namin mag-barbecue, then mag-rest na.
Day 2.
Good morning guys, it's day 2 dito sa David Thompson Resort. And napakalamig guys, napakasarap ng tulog namin. And today, balak namin dumalaw sa Peyto Lake saka sa Panther Falls. Samahan nyo kami guys. Guys, nandito na kami sa Peyto Lake. Dito tayo sa easiest trail o sa hardest trail. Pero 100 meters siya. Dito naman is 150 meters. Doon na lang tayo.
Go. Wow! Walang tao!
Ang ganda.
Wow!
Wow.
Wow! Parang nga siyang may ears.
Oh, sabi nga nila wolf ano daw yan. Wolf Lake. Kasi tingnan nyo guys, oh, parang courting head ng wolf.
Dito, ayan o.
Hello guys, stop over muna kami guys bago kami magpunta ng Panther Falls. Nandito kami sa Saskatchewan Crossings. Hello guys, nandito lang kami sa roadside and di na namin alam kung paano pumunta. And dito tinuro ng Google Maps yung Panther Falls. Yan, papakita namin guys. Yun. So hindi namin alam kung if there is a way na mas lumapit pa. Pero ito na yung pinakamalapit na view namin sa Panther Falls. Last day namin dito sa David Thompson. Ay, hindi pa pala. Bukas check out. And try namin tignan yung restaurant.
Day 3.
Hello guys, good morning. It's day 3 ng aming camping. And sadly, tapos na po yung aming camping.
It's a weekend time.
Yes, uwian na kami guys. And it's Canada Day.
Happy Canada Day!
And bago kami umalis guys, maglalakad kami sa
Woods.
woods. So maraming salamat guys sa support. And please like our video. Please share, comment your thoughts below. And subscribe for more.